being nosy. I'm trying to do my videos. Huh? Oh. Hey, y'all. So, I decided, you know, I'm going to try to get out the house. The state of Maryland, apparently, they say we can't go to the small parks. Oop, I almost fell. We can't go to the small parks around here, but we can go to the, I guess I don't even know, Maryland state parks, I guess. I don't know what you got to pay for. And I kind of like, why do we have to go to the ones that we have to, I mean, it's $6 to get in there, and we like to go to this particular one anyway, but, and I think, you know, I have some videos, like, way back when we went there. I guess, well, this particular park has, like, I think it has 30 or 40 acres, maybe that's why, and they say you're supposed to do this social distancing thing, and then I said it's 70 degrees out, so try to get out while we can get out, I guess. I don't know. Well, my daughter's considered an essential employee, so.
I don't know how that happened.
There. I know, cute. Okay, can I see you?
Oh, wow.
I think Boogie he gonna get out the house a little bit out, but the playground is closed. We usually don't go to the playground anyway, but.
Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm. So we're going to see if it's open, and I'll show y'all. It's so beautiful there. And I decided I didn't want to really audition for a 600-pound life. This is my 600-pound life. I'm going to try to keep it under 300. Everybody get kind of swole up in this piece.
Oh, yep.
Woo! All right, y'all. See ya. Give me one. Boogie's pointed out the dandelion. So, y'all, it was free today. So, that goes my theory of them trying to just get us in here for the prices. It's huge. They got, like, a couple of sides here. I said this before in my other videos. People get married here, cookouts, family reunions. It's just very, very beautiful. We've been coming here many, many, many years. That little girl like, Mom, you're slow. She's like, you're not supposed to be. It's got that beautiful Chesapeake Bay. That's Mother's Garden. They say you got little kids, you got to get them out the house. Y'all see mine, them big kids. Mm-hmm. Big kids.
Yes, indeed.
But it's so beautiful here. I always said that. Yes. Would you try to get a picture of yourself? I love this tree. Look at that tree, yo. The playground is closed. Yeah, they just had a sign on the door that's on the little booth window that said free today, and I was like, wow, I got $6 whole. $6 whole. It is a pretty tree. We're gonna catch some views of everybody at the water. Huh? Where? Oh. Which way y'all want?
Oh, if I were.
I just wanted to see the water up close.
Oh.
Kinda.
Yeah, I wanted to take a picture with it.
Yeah, but you ain't finished it.
Yeah.
Just get some fresh air.
Oh, the benches up front are oh. There's the sign. I don't remember it. Oh, they gotta have been here then, right?
Let me see.
The farmhouse stood at this location. Oh, wow. When the property was first purchased. There's a farmhouse right here?
So they tore it down.
The same house, extensive renovations. It said it stood at this location, so right here? I don't know, child. But that's the place where I guess you can have your, yeah, you can have receptions there.
Are they?
I think it'd be nice to get married there. Hint, hint. I give up. And that's where you go. Bathrooms are there. The bathroom. People all hugged up on it. Y'all ain't supposed to be hugged up. I get on the ground and be able to get back up. I don't want to get on no ground. I might be a snake. Be a snake. Yeah, see. Hey, we can't even get up on the water, y'all. Get by this tree, huh? Oh, you talking about that bench? Oh, there you go, Buggy.
My bad.
Yeah, watch it, kid. No, I'm not. I'm very, very heavy and chunky at this moment. I was gonna go by that tree and try to can't do nothing. I'm gonna check it up, but I ain't trying to get the things people are getting them. Huh? Where can we go?
The one where you used to put the telescope.
I guess. I thought it would have been people up there. It's amazing how clear skies are. Oh, see, they done left. I was going to say, who in the trash can? Oh, come on. Why did they leave when we came? Why did they leave when we came? Everybody leaving. What's going on? They're leaving too. This ground is soft.
I wish I could swim.
You're not allowed to swim.
I know.
You're not allowed to swim. Ooh, I don't think we ever get, well, we got to sit here before. Well, you took that picture of me when I was really skinny. Remember? You remember that?
It's very breezy.
I got it chunky now. Chunky anyway.
Right, Mom. Very breezy.
Yeah. I don't know what to do. What you doing? Teach the kids the knowledge of self. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's so bright out here. I can't. Oh, sorry. That was the wrong way, y'all. Teach the kids the knowledge of self. Whew.
It's very breezy.
Yes. Look at the sky, y'all. That's the fishing pier down that way. And crabbing. Get your crabs. Oh, maybe. No. Well, yeah, some people over there with their buckets. That's the little theater there where people perform.
Imagine if there was Megalodon in there.
Oh, Becky.
Just kidding.
Nice little relaxation spot. It's like it warmer. The sound of water.
You feel that warm air.
It was cool with me. It feel warm to you?
Kind of. Like warm and cold at the same time.
Oh. The kids play. They got on the playground. They ain't got it roped off or nothing, no. But they got them park rangers and stuff.
They got so many couples.
Yeah. I'm about to get off of here, y'all. We're just chilling for a little bit. It's fresh air. People probably gonna go do the same thing they usually be doing after all this is over anyway. A lot of y'all extroverts out there. I know y'all losing your mind. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.